Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Sticky Notes. Open Start, type Sticky Notes, and hit Enter. Once the app appears, sign in with your Microsoft account so your notes sync automatically across PCs. Create your first note by clicking the plus button or pressing Ctrl+N. This gives you a blank canvas. As you type, use Enter to separate lines and Ctrl+Z to undo mistakes. Make sure to give short titles in the body so you can scan them quickly later. Once you have notes, organize them visually. Drag and resize each note so the most important ones sit where you can see them. Use formatting, bold, italic, and bullets through right-click options or keyboard shortcuts to emphasize action items. Change note colors to create an instant priority system, and pin a critical note to start for persistent visibility. Also, use Alt+Tab to switch windows without losing focus on your open notes. This keeps your workflow smooth and your reminders accessible. To finish, ensure sync and backups. Open settings inside Sticky Notes and confirm your Microsoft account is connected so notes upload to the cloud. Backup important content by copying notes into OneNote or pasting into a text file. Once done, tidy your desktop layout and close the app. Your notes will remain. If something goes wrong, for example notes disappear, try signing out and back in, or reinstalling the app after exporting any visible content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.